unboxing uh, one of the products I got from Amazon. Actually, it's a tripod slash selfie stick, so you could either use it to do those selfie videos or just regular tripod to make a video. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel or just regular outdoor videos, this tripod, according to the reviews on Amazon, is really good. Actually got good reviews on Amazon. So the last one I bought got broken, so I needed a new one to make my videos and to do my own thing. But anyway, some of the specs on this tripod is it features integrated heavy duty aluminum, and then it's all in one. So you could either, like I said previously, you could either use it as a selfie stick or just as a regular tripod to make your videos. So I'm just going to unbox it and show you everything that's in the box. That way you can make a decision on if whether to get it or not. So let's dive right in and see what's in there. Yeah, so I guess let's see, there we go. Okay, so that's how you open it, and then it slides out. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. We'll put that aside. Comes in this bag, and this stuff that holds it down. But let's open it and see. I guess this is the bag that you use to carry it around if you're going outside to make your videos. You could use this bag and carry it. So let's dive right into the bag and see what's in there. Okay, I think that's all that's in the bag. We'll put the bag aside. So yeah, that's it. This is the tripod. Just holding it alone, it feels really steady and strong. I guess that's how you open it, and it holds down, and then you can lift it as much as you want, as high as you want, and you can either bring it down. So I guess this can go up to you can either open it and you can go as tall or as long as you want it to go. So yeah, there are 3 layers that you can go, I think. Yeah, so that's kind of how you open it, like this. And when this is open, it goes out too. So yeah, there we go. So that's how long it is. That's pretty long for a selfie stick. I guess you could use this outside or indoors. But yeah, to undo it, you just push it down and then snap that in place. Push it down, snap that in place. Push it down, snap that in place. So you have a little tripod. Yeah, and I guess this comes off. I'm not sure, but I'd have to look that up later and see how it works. But I think this is the stuff that goes on top. Let me see. Let's bring that out. So yeah, so that's the stuff that goes on top that holds the phone and the camera. You could either adjust it by opening it and then tightening it. So I'm gonna demonstrate how to do that with my other phone. So pretty much, to hook up a phone, you just undo it and it loosens, and then you put your phone. Let's see. So my phone is pretty big. All right, let me take off the casing that way. So see, let's see how that fits in. There we go. And then you just tighten it up to hold it in place. See, that's really sturdy. And then when you finish doing that, you can just screw it on like this. I guess you screw it onto the stuff over here. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, so I'm gradually getting there. Okay, so you see there we go. I needed to hold the thumb down. There we go. So now when it's all screwed in, that's how it looks. And you just hold your phone, you set it down and loosen it like that. It holds down the phone, and then you can make your video. And one thing about this selfie stick is that it comes with a remote control attached. You can either remove this, and I guess you can power this on, but there we go. So there's a button on the side that you can turn on to turn it on and pair it to your phone. That way you can pause the video that you're making, or you can either use it to take a photo. So it's in the pairing mode now. I guess I'll pair it to my phone later. So I'm gonna turn it off, and you can just hang it over here that way or the other way around. You can either do that too. So yeah, that's how that's all about. So that's, I mean, that's all that's, you know, it is to this Fugetek selfie stick. And personally, I think it's worth it. Currently on Amazon right now, it retails for $23 as of right now. The prices might change, but I'll put the link in the description below. That way you can check it out and see if it's something that you want, if it's something that's worth some little investment, you know, to do your own YouTube videos or take selfies and all that. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and peace out.